Hello, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and finally back again with another prop firm video. Today, we're going to be looking at Darwin X0 and why I think it is heads above the rest of all these other so-called prop firm solutions out there. And if you're a consistently successful trader that can generate returns month after month and also have good risk management skills, then Darwin X0 is the service you have been looking for to grow your trading career and access real money funds. So today's video, we're just going to break down exactly my personal experience with Darwin X0. I opened up an account with them just 4 weeks ago, the end of last month. Just want to basically share my experience so far and actually getting funded starting in July. So let's get into Darwin X0. So this is my account here. I opened this account at the end of May last month. You can see we already have a 4.61% return with a drawdown of -2%. So I only got my Darwin score yesterday and my actual system rating for June 2024. I'll explain how this works in a minute. So basically, when you sign up, it's a subscription-based model. You're paying €38 a month, but if you use my link in the description of this video, you'll actually get €20 off your first monthly payment. So you sign up as a subscription-based model. You get a $100,000 demo account, notional funds count demo account up front. And basically, for the first 15 days, you're trading on that demo account. And after that's called the calibration stage. So the first 15 days are the calibration stage, which is basically they're analyzing your system, they're analyzing your strategy to see if you're profitable, they're analyzing how you control risk, etc., things like that. After the 15 days are over, it then takes a further 7 days for the system to come up and give you your Darwin score and your actual rating. So just have a drink of water here. So I received my rating 2 days ago. It was on, Monday evening, so 2 days ago, more or less 2 days ago now. And this is the rating here. My Darwin score up here is the quote is 104.61, and how that really works is every Darwin starts off at 100 and basically goes up and down with the amount you're returning. So basically, you can see my total return so far in the month of June is 4.61%. So my Darwin is 104.61. So on, very, very self-explanatory. Next is the rating. This is one of the most important things you want to be looking at here. So to get a guaranteed allocation every month, you want to be getting a rating at 75 or over. You can see my score here for June is 75.74. So by the looks of it, I'm guaranteed funding going into July. So we'll just look at the rating calculator. We'll look at my expected return for the current month. And you can see, let's have just make sure it's correct there, 4.61. And as you can see, we will finish the month with a profit of 4%, 4.61%, and will already be guaranteed €30,000 in funding starting July. So not bad for the first month of the service. Already guaranteed funding after a few weeks trading. So that is good. So each and every month when you have a score of 75 or above, then you will be getting more funding added to your account, more seed capital allocated to your account going into the next month. So how it differs from other prop firms, this is the big thing. This is why I like it so much. You don't have to worry about stupid rules. You don't have to worry about rules that are designed for maximum failure. Profit targets, daily drawdown limits. Basically, if you've got a system, a strategy that works, you can consistently generate returns by managing your risk and consistently get a score of over 75. You will be getting seed capital each and every month. Unlike Other prop firms, or so-called prop firms, where you're actually trading against the company. The company does not make money from trading; they make money from evaluations. Basically, they don't want profitable traders. That they are as little as possible profitable traders as possible. They want people to consistently buy evaluations, is because that is how they generate money. That's how they make money. And if you're too profitable with these so-called prop firms, they'll literally just kick you off the platform. And we're seeing that more and more. If you go on YouTube, so these so-called influencers, a lot of them that are profitable on the prop firms, they're too profitable and they're just kicking them off the platform. So Darwin X Zero is probably the best alternative to this. How they work is they've been about for about 10 years, just over 10 years. They actually attract proper seed capital, proper money in from private investors. They then charge those investors a 20% performance fee. They give us, the traders, 15% of that, and they take the other 5%. So their business model profits off the profitable traders, not off so-called costs or evaluation fees. They make money when the trader is profitable, and it keeps their investors happy and keeps the whole thing working, if you know what I mean. So they want profitable traders as much as possible, as long as you can generate returns, manage your risk month after month, then this is the platform for you. So the profit split, like I said, there's 15%. You might go, no, but these other companies charge 80%. If you actually go over to Darwin X Zero, they've got a great tutorial on how they compare to other prop firms who offer 80%, 90%. Basically, the reason the prop firms are doing that, because they know their numbers. They know that hardly anyone's ever going to get funded, and if they're making too much money, they can just kick them off the platform. So this is probably one of the more it's basically how a money management, if you're managing money or private equity for private clients, you'd be charging performance fee each and every month, anywhere from 20 to 30%. They charge their investors 20%. We get 15, they take 5. So that is basically, you can go over to their website, you can see how that works even more. So the first stage is Darwin Silver, and how this works is to get up to the next stage, which is Darwin Gold. You have to be in Darwin Silver for at least 8 consecutive months. You must have made a return of 20%, and your return must be double that of your max drawdown. So you can see at the minute mine's at 2, as my drawdown is minus 2%, and my return is 4.61%. Very self-explanatory how it works. You can head over to their website and see how they work. I will put a link to my Darwin down here. That is one of the other great things of Darwin. Not only are you getting access to seed capital, more or less, if you're consistently profitable after the first month. Basically, you're getting a professional, validated, verified track record from a regulated broker and a regulated private investment company, which is Darwin X. So that is one of the other things there. So you have private investors you can literally just show them your performance. This is a professional verified track record. And yeah, that's one of the other great things with Darwin X Zero. Next thing is the cost, €38 a month. Watch my previous video on prop firms and showing you exactly how it all works after having calls with the white label companies. The average traders to get funded is paying for up to 10 challenges at around about $400 to $500 each. Basically, so it's costing them nearly $5,000 to get to a funded account, and then they have to make that again to get their money back. With Darwin X Zero, straight up, you can see straight away here from me, paid €38 last month. I've traded June, got into my second month in July, and I've already got €30,000 in seed capital coming to me at the start of July. So, and all I've paid is €38 each and every month. So that's how Darwin X Zero works. I'm going to keep making videos on this, maybe updated weekly or bi-weekly, just tracking my progress. You can track my performance via the link below. And if you're looking to sign up for Darwin X Zero, there is a link in the description area which will give you €20 off your first month with the service. So it's a great service. It's probably, yeah, like I said, it's what I would recommend if you're looking for more funds to trade. You can literally build up to infinity with this. Not infinity, but there is traders out there. If you look at the Darwin A, who are managing millions of dollars in funds. And there's actually, I think, on Darwin X, when you go through the Darwin Silver, then the Darwin Gold, then you can go all the way up to Darwin X Pro, and that's when you can literally scale right up to, I think there's traders in there trading tens of millions of dollars in funds. So again, it's a great service, highly recommended, and I'm using it myself. You can see I've already got my first allocation of funds coming in at the start of July. So don't forget, sign up below with the €20 discount. Let me know what your experience is with Darwin X Zero in the comments, and I will keep these videos coming. And it's good to be back. Thank you. See you in the next video. Will over at Pips and Gains.